the next type is what we call homogeneous. Solving ODEs with homogeneous coefficients. So what does it mean if it's homogeneous? Here, the definition. A function f of xy is homogeneous or homogeneous of degree k in x and y if and only if the function of lambda x, lambda y is basically the same as lambda raised to k function of xy. Take note, originally you were given function of xy. And then it says there that if you introduce lambda in the function, so magiging lambda x and lambda y, what happens is that you should be able to take out the lambda with a certain degree. So that one, it's going to be homogeneous with degree k in both x and y. So for example, this one, lambda x squared 3 lambda x lambda y plus lambda y squared. So 4 lambda squared x squared minus 3 lambda squared xy plus lambda squared y squared. So I can bring out the lambda squared. I'm left with 4x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. Isn't it, guys, that one of the conditions is that you can fully bring back or get back the original function xy? Isn't it that this one, the one in the red ink, is similar to the original problem? So that means this one is homogeneous with degree 2. What about number 2? This one's going to be lambda cubed x cubed minus lambda squared xy plus lambda cubed y cubed. What can you bring out? How many lambdas? Lambda squared only.
Lambda squared.
So is this, the one inside the parenthesis, exactly the same as the one on top? Not homogeneous, right? Because for it to be homogeneous, dapat all the lambdas have to be taken out. What about number 3? Is it homogeneous or not? Let's try. Lambda x ln of lambda x minus lambda x ln of lambda y. The problem with the lambda, if it's in an ln, you can never bring it out. Anong pwede nating i-factor out now? Lambda and x. Tama? I'm left with ln of lambda x minus ln of lambda y. Applying, guys, the properties of ln, what's happening here? That is lambda x over lambda y. What's going to happen? You can cancel out the lambda. And then, with that, you're basically left with lambda x ln of x over y. I was able to fully bring out the lambda. So that means this one is homogeneous degree 1. So let's go to the definitions first. According to this one, an ordinary differential equations with homogeneous coefficients and then written in the general form, so this one again is the general form, can be solved by making the substitution y equals vx or x equals vy if and only if the function m and n are both homogeneous and of the same degree. So look at this. Are both homogeneous and of the same degree. Be careful with that. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay, what does that mean? Let's try solving this one first. Look, you're able to bring out lambda squared. According to this definition here, it is homogeneous and you'll be able to make the substitution if and only if both the terms m and n are of the same degree and are homogeneous. So, they're both homogeneous and they're both of the same degree, squared. Therefore, if that is the case, we could solve this. Now look here. What is your m?
X squared minus xy plus y squared po.
Therefore, your n is negative xy. Tama? And then earlier, you were able to already test the homogeneity, right? Degree 2. So ito, you already know that this is homogeneous of degree 2. Now, comparing the two, which one is simpler? M or N? N. So, since N, xy is simpler, therefore, look at this. Isn't it that M is typically partnered with dx, N is partnered with dy? Right? Look at the definition. You don't know whether it's going to be y equals vx or x equals vy. Pero, according to this one, which one is simpler, the m or the n? You already know that it's the n. And since the n is partnered with dy, the substitution should be y equals v times x. Take note, all three of them are variables. So dy is v dx plus x dv. Either the dx will change or the dy. Ibig sabihin, yung dy natin is the one that I will be changing to become v dx plus x dv kasi ang katabi niya, isang term lang. Pero pag yung x ang binago natin, ilang term ang katabi ng x? 3. So, ang mangyayari, 3 terms multiplied by 2 terms. Mas magiging mahirap. That's why we select the simpler one. You understand? So, sabi, lahat daw ng y gagawing vx. So, x squared minus ito, vx. So, vx squared plus v squared x squared dx minus yung y magiging vx. So, vx squared v dx plus x dv is 0. Okay, so here, v squared x squared dx minus v x cubed dv is 0. And then what you'll notice here is that they cancel out. So what can I factor out from the first term? I can factor out x squared, leaving me with 1 minus v dx minus v x cubed dv is 0. So here, maybe we can divide everything by x cubed 1 minus v. So I'm left with dx over x So with this, I can integrate the first term, no problem with that. The second term, there seems to be quite a problem with the second term kasi they are of equal degrees. If they are of equal degrees, what can we do? Diba? 1, v minus 1, 1. So that means this one, the second term, becomes the integral of 1 plus 1 over v minus 1 dv. So the first term is simply ln of x plus v plus ln of v minus 1 equals constant. So ln of x plus ln of, ano yung v? What is V equal to?
Y over X?
Move ko na lang dito yung isa. Negative Y over X plus C. So I combined those with the LNs and I separated the ones without. So here, ln of the first term will be multiplied with this. Take note of this. Yung ln of x plus ln of y is ln of x times y. So ganun din dito. The first ln multiplied to the second ln. So x times y is y. Yan, x times y over x is y. X times negative 1 is this. And then if I raise both sides sa e, y minus x is e to the negative y over x plus c, di ba? So, times constant. Yan yung general solution natin. Ayan, no? Y minus x, c e to the negative y over x. Number 1. First, let's check if it's homogeneous. Tama, degree 2. Yan pala, may lambda. N lambda x lambda y is lambda squared x squared plus y squared. Lambda squared. So homogeneous of degree 2. So both m and n. Since that's the case, we know we can apply our simplification. So this one, which is simpler, m or n? X equals vy is your substitution. Tama? So dx is v dy plus y dv. Right? Okay. 3 v y squared v dy plus y dv plus v squared y squared plus y squared dy is 0. So let's separate. 3 vy cubed dv plus v squared y squared plus y squared dy is 0. So I'll combine those with dy and I can bring out y squared. 4v squared plus 1 dy plus 3 vy cubed dv. So now we can multiply everything by 1 all over 4v squared plus 1 at saka y cubed, right? Therefore, dy over y plus 3 v over 4v squared plus 1 dv is equal to 0. So now, is it purely a function of y lang and purely a function of v? Okay, what can we do? What can we conclude? That with this substitution, the equation becomes a variables separable equation. So meaning, once it is homogeneous, and then after plugging in the substitutions, the necessary substitutions, you'll be able to solve it using the same technique as variable separable. So if we integrate this, this, and this, what's the integral of the left side, the first term? ln of y, that's good. The second term, since the numerator has a less degree than the denominator, what do? If u is equal to 4, v squared plus 1, du is 8v dv. Kulang lang pala ako ng 8. I just bring out 1/8. Tama? Because it's simply du over u. It's just an ln. So that's 3/8 ln of 4 v squared plus 1 equals c. Ngayon, yung problem natin is not given in terms of letter v. Therefore, it's up to you to fix it. So that becomes, ang v daw natin is x squared over y squared plus 1 equals c. This is your general solution. Now, look. Pero what's the degree?
Second po.
Second po.
This one.
Second din po.
Second po.
Second
Second
then.
po.
All right. So n has a second degree. What about the m?
Second.
Second degree. So both are the same. Can you use substitution here? Yes. Anong substitution gagamitin nyo? Y or x substitution? This is n. This is m. Take note, m is always with letter x. N is always with letter y. Alin ang simpler?
M.
M. Therefore, x is vy.
Y.
This one, the y prime there stands for dy over dx. So it's up to you to multiply the dx to all of them. So the left side will just be x squared dy. The right side will contain a dx. Question, is number 3 homogeneous?
Yes po, sir.
Of what degree?
Second.
Second degree. So, nasa left si n, which is simpler.
N.
Therefore,
Y.
y equals
Vx.
very good. So, pag y equals vx, you know what follows? Vx plus
Vdx
x.
plus xdv po.
Sa taas naman, dx is v dy plus y dv. Lagi ang homogeneous, you have to test if both n and m are of the same degree. Tapos after that, check which is simpler. Whatever is simpler will be used for your substitution. Again, can you use the other term for substitution? Yes, it's up to you. It might just give you a longer solution, but it should give you the same final answer, right? Kasi magka-cancel din naman eh. Di ba you noticed earlier we were able to cancel out some of the terms? Okay, next. After the substitution, what's the purpose? For us to have a variable separable solution and then integrate both sides, get the general solution. So some practice problems are posted here.